Coastal modelling is obviously a very important area of research down here in Louisiana alongside the Gulf Coast. And we have several projects that we're involved with at the centre that relate to different aspects of coastal engineering. From one of the projects, which is funded by the DoD, called the CoastalModeling project, is developing the actual models, looking at the new numerical methods that can provide advanced models of coastal flows, of waves and of surge properties around the coast, particularly looking at the influence that Louisiana has a very muddy coastline, and looking at the influence, the effect of this muddy water, muddy shore on the ocean, on the water circulation. Then we're also involved in a project which is bringing together the different groups around the whole southeast of the United States to focus on problems of the modelling the effects of hurricanes, of modelling, of being ready to respond to coastal events of any types, whether they're rescue events, providing the water circulation and water properties for rescues, for oil spills, for different kinds of hazards. But one of the key problems there is to look at the effects of hurricanes. And there we have the ability to do on-demand hurricane modelling. So as soon as there is a hurricane advisory coming from the National Weather Service, we have a whole cyber infrastructure that can respond automatically to this and run a whole suite of different models looking at the different potential tracks that the hurricane can make. And these models are then run across the resources of the SURA grid, which is a whole set of distributed compute resources that covers the whole southeast of the US. And these are very large supercomputers, including some of the machines that we have here at LSU. And then the results are automatically collected up and displayed on a web page using mapping technologies. So then this is a kind of prototype system that we are expanding out, showing what the next generation operational system should look like. In Louisiana, we're involved in providing both compute resources and some of our expertise to a group which is doing the official hurricane effect modelling for the state. So we are part of running different models responding to hurricane advisories for events where it looks like there will be an impact on the Louisiana coastline. And these models are run, there are experts that get together to look at the results and then inform the governor's office on the potential impact of the storm. And then of course the governor's office has to make decisions on whether or not to evacuate parts of the Gulf Coast in Louisiana.